Let's explore scenarios where regular expressions, or regex, might not be the ideal solution. Regular expressions are a powerful tool, but it is important to recognize their limitations. We will discuss situations where using regex can lead to more problems than solutions. This slide focuses on those instances where a different approach might be better suited. When dealing with complex data structures like JSON, also known as JavaScript Object Notation, XML, or Extensible Markup Language, and HTML, which is Hypertext Markup Language, it's best to avoid using regex for parsing. These formats have specific rules and nested structures that regex struggles to handle effectively. Instead, employ dedicated parsing libraries designed for these formats to ensure accurate and reliable data extraction. On the right, you can see the JSON structure. Parsing HTML with regular expressions is generally not recommended due to the complex and often irregular structure of HTML documents. HTML can have nested tags, attributes, and variations in formatting that make it difficult to reliably parse with regex. It is better to use dedicated HTML parsing libraries like Beautiful Soup or LXML, which are designed to handle the nuances of HTML structure and provide more robust and maintainable solutions. On the right, you can see the sample HTML code with nested tags. Be cautious of performance issues when using complex regular expressions, especially those with nested quantifiers or alternations. These patterns can lead to catastrophic backtracking, where the regex engine tries numerous combinations, resulting in exponential slowdown, particularly with slightly altered inputs. Simplify your patterns or consider alternative approaches to avoid performance bottlenecks. As you can see on the right, there is dangerous regular expression pattern which leads to catastrophic backtracking and program can hang forever. Parsing programming languages with regular expressions is generally not feasible due to the context-free nature of programming language grammars. Programming languages have complex, nested structures and syntax rules that cannot be adequately captured by regular expressions. Instead, dedicated parsers and lexers are required to accurately analyze and understand the code. We cannot correctly parse code by using just regular expressions. On the right, there is the sample code block. Complex regular expressions can become unreadable and difficult to maintain over time. As the pattern grows in complexity, it becomes challenging to understand its purpose and modify it without introducing errors. This can lead to maintenance headaches and increased risk of breaking existing functionality. So, it is important to keep regular expressions simple and well documented, or consider alternative approaches for complex parsing tasks. As you can see on the right, there is an unreadable regular expression which is used for email validation. For complex parsing tasks, there are often better alternatives to regular expressions. Use specialized tools and libraries designed for specific data formats or parsing needs. For example, use the JSON module in Python for parsing JSON data, Beautiful Soup for parsing HTML, and dedicated libraries for email validation or date parsing. These tools provide more robust, reliable, and maintainable solutions compared to complex regular expressions. Here are the list of alternatives. In summary, choose the right tool for the job. While regular expressions are powerful, they are not always the best solution for every parsing task. Consider the complexity, performance requirements, and maintainability of your solution when deciding whether to use regex or alternative approaches. Regex is powerful but not universal. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.